Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage brand reputation with Yelp detailed guide step by step clearly. To manage your brand reputation with Yelp, start by claiming your business profile. Visit the Yelp for Business Owners page and find your business. If your business is not listed, you'll need to create a new profile. Fill out all the necessary information, including your business name, address, and phone number. Upload high-quality images that represent your brand effectively. Next, take the time to complete your business description. Be sure to include relevant keywords that reflect your services. Monitor your reviews regularly by checking your Yelp dashboard. Respond to reviews promptly to demonstrate that you value customer feedback. Thank customers for positive reviews to reinforce good relationships. For negative reviews, address the concerns professionally and empathetically. Use Yelp's messaging feature to resolve issues privately when appropriate. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews by creating in-store prompts. Make use of Yelp's advertising options to increase your visibility. Regularly update your business information to keep it accurate. Implement changes based on customer feedback to enhance your services. Stay engaged with your online community to foster positive relationships. Regularly analyze your Yelp metrics to understand customer trends. Consider developing promotional offers for Yelp users to attract new customers. Combat negative reviews by consistently providing excellent service. Build a strong brand story that resonates with your target audience. Utilize social media to drive traffic to your Yelp profile. Promote your Yelp page on your website and other marketing channels. Always keep your responses courteous and professional, regardless of the review tone. By actively managing your Yelp presence, you enhance your brand reputation. This will help establish trust and loyalty among your customer base. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.